Hey there, folks! Ever thought about making money from your couch? I'm talking about online teaching. It's booming, flexible, and might just be your ticket to sharing knowledge and padding your wallet. Whether you're a grammar guru, a math whiz, or a coding ninja, there's a platform out there for you. Online teaching offers a refreshing alternative to the traditional education system. It lets you connect with students worldwide, set your own hours, and escape the monotony of staff meetings. We'll walk you through some popular platforms, break down the requirements, and give you the inside scoop on earning potential. First up, we've got VIPKid. This platform connects native English speakers with eager young learners in China. If you've got a knack for teaching kids and a love for English, VIPKid might be your perfect match. You'll need a bachelor's degree and be a citizen or resident of the US or Canada with a clean background check. The application process involves a resume submission and a mock teaching session. Once you're in, you set your own hours and teach from the comfort of your pajamas. VIPKid provides the lesson plans. Expect to earn between $14 to $22 per hour. Next up, we've got Chegg Tutors, the on-demand knowledge dispensary. If you're a whiz in a particular subject, Chegg might be your calling. To become a Chegg tutor, you'll need to prove you know your stuff and pass a subject test. The beauty of Chegg is its flexibility. You can connect with students via video chat, audio, or text. Need to earn some extra cash between classes or after your 9 to 5? Chegg lets you set your own hours. You also set your own rates, but most tutors charge between $20 and $30 per hour. Not a bad way to turn your brainpower into beer money, right? Now let's talk Udemy, the online course behemoth. This platform is perfect for those who have a passion for teaching and a flair for the theatrical. Instead of live tutoring, you create pre-recorded courses on anything your heart desires. To get started, create engaging video lectures, quizzes, and downloadable resources. Once your masterpiece is complete, you unleash it upon the world through Udemy's platform. They handle all the marketing and payment processing, taking a cut of your earnings. The amount you make depends on how the student found your course. Last but not least, we have Teachable, the platform for the control freaks among us. Similar to Udemy, you create and sell your own courses, but Teachable gives you more freedom. Think of it as building your own online education empire. You get your own website, complete with customizable branding and design. Teachable provides the tools to create your course content, including video hosting, quizzes, and discussion forums. You're the boss and you call the shots. This also means you have full control over pricing and marketing. Teachable offers various plans from free to pro, each with its own features and transaction fees. But hey, at least you're not sharing your profits with others. Now, before you quit your day job and dedicate your life to online education, let's talk strategy. Success in the virtual classroom requires more than just a webcam and a dream. Here are a few tips to help you thrive. Invest in decent equipment. A reliable computer with a good microphone and webcam is crucial. Create a professional teaching space. Find a quiet corner in your home that screams, "I'm a serious educator." Be patient and adaptable. Technology can malfunction at the worst moments. Approach technical hiccups with humor. Engage, engage, engage. Make your lessons interactive and incorporate multimedia elements. Never stop learning. Stay up to date with the latest trends, technologies, and teaching methodologies. Embrace feedback from your students and always strive to improve. Promote yourself. Use social media, email marketing, and other channels to attract students. Consistency is key. Establish a regular teaching schedule and stick to it. Respond to student inquiries promptly. Building trust and rapport is essential for long-term success. So there you have it, folks. A crash course in the wonderful world of online teaching. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, explore a new career path, or simply share your passions, there's a platform for you. From VIPKid to Chegg Tutors, from Udemy to Teachable, the possibilities are endless. Dust off your thinking cap, polish your webcam lens, and take the plunge into online education. Who knows, you might just inspire the next generation of thinkers, creators, and innovators. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and insights on online teaching.